Betelgeuse, the red supergiant star located on the shoulder of the Sun, has been captivating astronomers and stargazers alike with its star, known for its striking bright red glow, is not just a beautiful sight in the night sky. It is also a fascinating subject of study due to its impending fate. Some scientists believe that its recent increase in brightness could signal an impending supernova. Betelgeuse personally, but its presence is hard to miss. If placed at the center of our solar system, this massive star would engulf the orbit of Mars, showcasing its immense size. Its ever-changing nature makes it a captivating celestial body, and its proximity allows us to observe its brightness fluctuations in real time. Betelgeuse is classified as a semi-regular variable star, which means its brightness changes in a predictable pattern. However, it is currently moving toward its final collapse, which will result in a supernova explosion. In recent years, unexpected brightness changes have puzzled scientists. It's particularly mysterious. Following this dimming, Betelgeuse has exhibited brightness levels that are twice as bright as usual. This star illuminates the southern hemisphere's evening sky, providing astronomers with a rare observational opportunity. Betelgeuse has been known to shift quickly from bright to dim, an unprecedented phenomenon that has intrigued researchers. Recently, its brightness surged by 50%, and then unexpectedly jumped by 142% on May 20, 2023. The Twitter account BetelBots, dedicated to tracking its brightness changes, reported this unusual activity, further fueling interest in this celestial giant. Andrea Dupree, an astrophysicist from the Harvard sky, climbing 3 spots from its usual 10th position. If you are in the southern hemisphere, look for Betelgeuse at dusk on Orion's shoulder. Even in the northern hemisphere, it remains visible as the days shorten, making it an accessible target for amateur astronomers. A researcher from Swinburne University in Australia emphasizes that Betelgeuse offers a unique opportunity to study a dying giant star in great detail. By tracking its behavior, transformations that occur before a star explodes. Some astronomers speculate that Betelgeuse could become so bright that it casts shadows at night, a possibility that excites both amateur and professional astronomers alike. Eventually, Betelgeuse will explode into a supernova. Given that it is located 650 light-years away, we will witness this extraordinary cosmic event in real time. Heidi Morris, an astronomer, points out that people have long followed the brightness changes of Betelgeuse. Historically, the star's brightness has fluctuated every 400 days, but recent observations indicate that it now shifts every 130 days. This change in pattern is significant and suggests that something unusual is happening within the star. Andrea Dupree, who has extensively studied Betelgeuse, notes that this pattern changed in 2019 when the star ejected part of its outer layers. This behavior is not typical for a star of its kind and raises questions about whether Betelgeuse is on the verge of exploding. According to a study conducted by researchers from Harvard and USC Berkeley, it might take 5 to 10 years for the star to return to its normal brightness cycle. The paper indicates that Betelgeuse has not been Betelgeuse still has a long journey ahead before it reaches its supernova moment. As a red giant, it undergoes complex As helium fuses into carbon, more complex elements are created, repeating the cycle of stellar evolution. Eventually, the core of Betelgeuse will collapse due to intense gravitational forces, potentially leading to the formation of a black hole or a neutron star. Chemical analyses suggest that Betelgeuse is still in the early stages of fusion, currently fusing helium into carbon. This fast-evolving red supergiant is now in its final. When it exhausts its nuclear fuel, its massive core will collapse, triggering a supernova explosion that could outshine entire galaxies. This explosion is inevitable, but the timing remains a mystery. There is much speculation surrounding Betelgeuse, but experts remain uncertain about when it will explode. Peter Breyer, an astronomy professor at the University of Portsmouth, specializes in supernovae and notes that we currently lack the ability to predict exact explosion times. Since only a few supernovae have been observed in human history, Betelgeuse's supernova. In conclusion, Betelgeuse continues to be a source of fascination and intrigue in the field of astronomy. Its unpredictable behavior and impending fate offer a unique opportunity for scientists to study the life cycle of stars. As we await the eventual explosion of this magnificent star, we can only speculate about the cosmic spectacle that will unfold. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next update. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.